right, thank you very much. Chris, I enjoyed your talk. It was very nice. And Stacy, thanks for the introduction. I'm going to introduce a company which is at a very crucial phase, a company I've been working on for about the last 20 years. I'm a vascular surgeon, and Fist is the global arm vein dilation company. And we hope that with this presentation, you'll get a good sense of where we're heading. We have an innovative wearable intermittent pneumatic compression device which has intellectual property, which is going to solve a global problem, which me as a vascular surgeon, I appreciated about 30 years ago. And only now I realize that globally we have a medical condition in dialysis, and what we need more than anything is arm veins to be large. Everybody has arm veins, but what I've learned over the last 30 years as a vascular surgeon is that people don't give any respect to arm veins, and when we don't have large arm veins, we have medical problems. We have two products, the Fist VIP, which is on your left, which is a device which can help dilate veins on your arm for future successful dialysis. Dialysis is a growing medical condition globally, and if you don't have a good suitable vein, you don't qualify for good quality hemodialysis. And then we also have the Fist VIP on your right, which is a device designed to help increase your size of your veins so you can get blood draws, PICC lines, central lines. Two very big medical needs where there's no technology for. Global kidney disease is a global problem. 1 in 10 adults will have some form of chronic kidney disease. There's a global need across the world to take care of diabetes and high blood pressure, which leads to dialysis. And we need simple, cost-reducing, patient-empowering devices to give patients the hope that they can survive and get, whether eventually be kidney transplant or successful dialysis, it all goes through your veins. If you have a good, successful fistula, and as a vascular surgeon, this is my life, you need a good vein. If you don't have a good vein, we're doing procedures that are costly, painful, and not effective. At the same time, patients are going for blood draws and having multiple needles placed where they don't have large veins. As a vascular surgeon, I'll make the statement today that I think, having taken care of patients for the last 25 years, the biggest problem I see going forward in healthcare as a vascular provider is not having suitable veins on someone's arms. It's a global problem that I have seen, thus we made Fist for this problem. This is our device, very simple device. It's a pneumatic compression balloon which takes over 30 years of science in basic science, clinical science, and exercise science to make your veins bigger. Our competition is what people do every day, squeeze rubber balls, put rubber bands on their arm, but the compliance and the use of that is very minimal. Fist and the Fist family of devices is all to help dilate veins on your arms using pneumatic compression, and there's significant basic science to prove that. We've done the feasibility trials, the efficacy trials, and now are, at the request of the FDA, doing our FACT trial, which will help us get the regulatory approval as a vein dilator in America. We presently just received CE mark, and thus our launch is now starting in the next 2 weeks in Europe, Australia, and New Zealand. The device is actively being sold right now in India. We have the full intellectual property for a device like this to basically patent and control with multiple patents in America and internationally to control the space of vein dilation with external devices. And once again, I described the regulatory process we are under. My background is all about vascular surgery at a young age. Sorry about that. At a young age, I really realized that vascular surgery was my calling. For the last 30 years, I've been in this space, both in my training and in my practice. And having taken care of so many patients, I've realized that ultimately, at the end of the day, we need a device, hopefully, to help patients with their arm veins. It is a space vascular surgeons have never really talked about, but we deal with it daily. Thus, there is a huge clinical need for a device like Fist. We have an extensive team that has been assembled to work on this product. Don't know why it's jumping. To work on this product, and this team is pretty elaborate and has been working on this to get this product commercially launched. We have voice of the customer survey globally at all the conferences, which show patients know, nurses know, technicians know arm vein dilation is a huge need globally, and the voice of the customer is clear on that. Here's our commercialization plan. We are actively now in the phase here in February where the European Union, Australia, and Canada will be starting very soon. And then, of course, later in the year, America will come on board. We are partnering with Amazon for the release of Fist. And so I think you will see significant marketing in the next couple weeks as Amazon and Fist are on a partnership plan to get this product released in our main countries of target right now. A new device which has been added to the Fist family is this VIP device, another device which you can wear at home, dilate your arm veins, increase the size of your forearm veins, which will help you with blood draw. The space for this device is impressive for blood draw, PICC lines, chemotherapy patient, orthopedic patients who need frequent blood draw, patients who have infections that need PICC lines and central lines. Once again, this is technology which everybody has understood is needed, but there's been no device, no external device to conquer this problem. Our financial projections are pretty impressive, both in gross margin and EBITDA. This is a simple device, simply made, and now is on the verge of commercial launch. So we're very excited about not even hitting the major part of the market, but just getting the product out there and having our patients, our family members, understanding the need, whether it's for dialysis or for blood draw, to get larger veins to have success in those procedures. So basically, the take-home message, it is truly 100% known that large veins help with dialysis and with all other medical procedures. But nobody, and probably the first time at a conference like this, someone is making a strong stance, and I've done this now in my career, that vein dilation on the forearm is a crucial medical condition that needs to be addressed if we're going to take care of the global medical problems that revolve around hemodialysis and vein care. External devices, I believe, have a role. Patient compliance with external cost-effective devices is excellent. We have an ongoing FACT trial at the University of Chicago for dilation. The voice of the customer data is very strong. And now with Amazon and the launch of this product, I think patients will have the benefit of having enlarged veins and thus have successful dialysis or vein procedures. I want to end with this simple video. This will show you the state of the art today and where I think patients are going to be going forward. The typical scenario is for dialysis patients or blood draw patients is take a ball and just squeeze it. Many patients use rubber bands. They'll put a rubber band on their arm like a tourniquet and use that to dilate veins. And then comes along the Fist device. Intermittent pneumatic compression, which goes in a cyclic fashion, dilates your veins, proven by basic science, clinical science, successful surgery, successful blood draw. With dilated veins, the rest of the system all works, and patients have cost-effective care. So, big believer in Fist. It's a novel device. It's a novel device that's launching, and the time is right for vein dilation. Thank you very much.